Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on the function of keeping our screen on while we are viewing it. So, where to look for this function? First of all, we need to go to Settings, then we are looking for our Display Options menu, and next in the Screen Timeout, we have this option right here. So keep screen on while viewing. What does it do? Exactly what it says. So keep the screen on while you are looking at it, using the front camera to detect your face. So to turn on this option, we need to check this box on. Now the toggle has been turned on. This function is now turned on as well. Remember, our camera must be enabled and functional to use this option. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.